The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Oldham County, western Hartley County, until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles southeast of Romero, or 14 miles northeast of Naravisa, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect some tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Boys Ranch and Romero. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday for the following counties in Texas: Hartley and Oldham.